Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is a mesh strainer from nylon with the most density of net, and they call this mesh. So it is for 400 mesh. That was the maximum density at the date. Well, it was bought in 2021. So it's more than 4 years of using it. It was used only for water, not juice or milk or yogurt or coffee or any other thing. It was used only for filtering water from the tap. So about I would say about 7-8 liters in a week. So it was used in such manner for 4 years and some months, as you see. So what can I say? After 3 years and a half, it began not to strain, not to pass out water fastly, very slow, almost impossible. You cannot do anything with it. You cannot use, for example, I tried to use vacuum cleaner. I tried to wash it out a little, but no use. I tried to use a fan for hair, dryer fan for hair in outwards, but no use. So it's worked almost, I would say, at 70-80%. So you can use it, but in general, term of use has been finished. So using like that for 6, 7, 8 liters in a week for 3, I would say for 3 years and a half you can use it. But as you see, now we have 4 years and some months, but that happened about after 3 years and a half, so you cannot continue to use it after such period of time. But it's a very good thing. You can, for example, use it 2-3 times to filter tap water and go to the laboratory and buy some good water. Then you can get some water from your local, not river, but you know what I mean, and test these 3 kinds of water, 3 times filtering this strainer, and home and water from local water and water from your shop, not as with the highest price. And you can test this in the laboratory and you will see the difference. So glorify the God forever. Such manual test.